not everybody that is on social media or is online is making money online. Do you know you might be having a YouTube channel, you might be having a Facebook account, you might be having any social media platform. You might know even 100 apps, but you're not making money online. So here is I'm with you. I'm giving you the essential steps to make money online as a creator. These are proven tips for success. You guys have tried them. Everybody has been trying them. People have been doing it. Do you know there's that time that you started and you're making 0.05, 0.01, even nothing. But here we are. Hey everybody, good morning, good afternoon. Are you a creator looking to make money online in 2025, even the remaining month of 2024? Are you a YouTuber, a content creator, or social media influencer? You need to know these essential tips, essential steps for you to turn your passion into profit. When I'm training my students, even when I'm talking to people who they feel they want to come to this field, I always teach them, you guys, it's not about a it's not about having a channel or being on social media, but there are some people who don't know how to make this money online. Today, I'll be sharing with you in this video the top things you need to do, and you need to know, you need to even to master in order to make money online, including very highly graded and proven tips that successful creators use to boost their income. You guys, make sure to stick on this video. It is going to be a short video, but I want you to learn something from this. They are really strategy that you shouldn't overlook as a creator. I'm not going to look down onto my great, great audience. Thank you very much for making me come again and come every time here. You're awesome. I love you so much. This is another mind-blowing video that every creator that wants to make money with your phone or with you're seated at home or with your platform, that smartphone, you have to change it to turn it into money. The first thing you need to do, you need to choose a niche wisely. You guys, I've come to realize and I've come to know that the first thing every creator you need to do, you have to choose a niche. If you want to know more about these niches, I want you to register for the class with me. The first thing you need to do is to choose your profitable niche. If you want to know the some of the profitable niche, 5 to 10 profitable niche, I want you to go to our videos of previous videos. We have profitable niches that are there. Focusing on a specific topic or audience helps you stand out and attract more views. I've seen people will attract more views, or you might not attract more views, but what about your niche? The more views you have, the followers and engagement is from the niche that you are dealing with. Look for niches like mine. I will always say like mine, making money online, personal finance. You guys, making money online is one of the niches that you score highly in RPM and CPM. What advertisers pay is very high because even it goes beyond what you expect. It will not be limited on your views that you have, but it will be limited uh, to the what the audience, what the advertisers are paying you, and at the same time to what the duration you're having. A niche like personal finance, tech reviews, or lifestyle vlogging are very on high demand, and you are there. If you know how to generate really content about it, go for it. It will give you substantial income. Let's look at the second one. Create high quality content. When I talk about high quality content, there's a debate between high quality content and even uh, what people love. You will see someone has no good thumbnail, someone has no good anything, or even has recorded it in vertical, but still get views. But for you, don't be like me. One time I was like, but so and so is doing it in anyhow, and she's getting views, but you don't know how much she's earning. She's earning peanut, or she's earning nothing. These are the people that will stay 5 months without withdrawing, talk less of 1 year. So creating high quality content is very crucial. Make sure your videos or posts are well edited, informative, and visually appearing very well. They appealing as the people see them. Use attention grabbing titles and thumbnails to increase your clicks and watch time. But when we talk about use attention grabbing titles, please stop. Don't bring clickbait titles. Don't mislead, because even on the clickbait you can be shadow banned, or even people might not come back. So be real. Learn. If you want to learn more about this, you can also contact me on how to do it. I feel I score 90 and 100 now in making my videos and even optimizing my thumbnails. Remember, platforms like YouTube and Instagram Reward content creators that keep viewers engaged. The longer people watch, the more money you will earn. And how do you earn this money? It is through ads, sponsorship, and even affiliate marketing. You guys, let's see, what about leveraging social media to promote your content? I've done this. However, you have to be mindful. Like me, I always do it, promote it on Facebook. But sometimes Facebook, because of the niche, you have to know what does Facebook community standards don't like and what do they like. You don't go there. And for example, mine is about making money online. The moment you disclose, like if you say on Facebook that you can make $200 on YouTube, they will frag your content. So you have to know your platform that you're promoting on, what are their rules and what are their regulations. Don't just rely on the platform. Share your content across multiple social media channels like Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram. The more you promote your work, the more traffic you drive to your channel or website, increasing your chances of earning through ads, sponsored post, or product sales. Use hashtags like Make Money Online, Content Creator 2024 to boost your visibility, and that one will bring also optimization, and it will also increase your search words range. You guys, I want you to do this. I'd stopped it, but I again started it because if you don't promote your, it might it might not do well for you. However, if you're promoting this, make sure you don't attract external traffic, external invalid traffic for YouTubers. Let's see how to optimize for CEO to increase discoverability. You guys, if I talk about optimizing for CEOs, this is a complete lecture for somebody who wants to be on YouTube and earn money. We are talking about earning money on YouTube. If you want to really earn money on YouTube, you need to know this. This is the video that full package, it is there. However much it is not detailed. CEOs or search engine optimization is your best friend. Has really done me well, and I know you can do it. Can do you well also. If you know you can do it, when it comes to making money online, this optimization is your closest friend, not any other person. Use relevant keywords like how to make money as a creator, top ways to earn money online, the best strategies for online income in your titles, description, and even tags. This will help your content rank high on search results, driving more organic traffic to your videos or blogs posts, even making YouTube and even your platform to recommend your post to a wider audience. Let's go and see about. But before that, I know you're going to say, how do I optimize? If you want to optimize me as a person, I use different platforms to optimize my content, but I use more majorly. You can go and check out for VIDQ. It is one part is free and the other one is also premium. You can pay for it. Let's see the fifth stage. The fifth step of you being at power when you want to make money online, it is diversify your income. I always tell people not to put your eggs in one basket. Diversify your income streams by combining ads, affiliate marketing, digital products, and brandings. The more source revenue you have, the more stable and profitable your online career will become. Just imagine if Christine was just relying only on making money online by posting. It means you might get frustrated, especially when you've not yet started realizing enough amount of money. You'll get frustrated and abandon this. So when whatever you do, even this is what we advise businesses. If you're doing a business, don't rely on only one thing. You have to diversify the streams of income. That is the way to go. You guys, I think this one is for you and it's enough for you today. I thought it's going to be for 3 minutes, but it ended up going to a full video. It's very good for creators. You guys, if you found this video helpful and you love it, please don't fail to like and subscribe. Above all, please share this, and I want you to go to the comment section. Share with us what you think. Do you think it is worth it to make money online? See you in another video.